Hello, Radiant influencers and Radiant followers. It's a brand new day, and I'm super excited to take you with me today. Grabe, I started my day at 4 a.m. in the morning, yes. Kasi I needed to be ready for my car service by 5:30 para makaalis kami ng maaga. We had to make sure we arrive in Batangas at least 1 hour before my 9 a.m. training there. And good thing we left early. You know why? Kasi grabe na yung traffic by the time we reached Malvar exit. For some reason, hindi naman laging traffic dito sa exit, but it's just that today, sobrang daming trucks on the road. And before we head to the actual training venue, quick tour muna tayo dito sa Lima Technology Center in Malvar, especially for those who've never been here. Alam niyo ba dati itong Lima City Hotel? Yes, we used to stay here and ngayon, it's the new Holiday Inn. Same look pa rin kung titignan nyo. I-walk through ko kayo dito sa harap. Same look pero ibang management and owner na sila. There you go. And then konting lakad or drive pa sa banda doon, makikita nyo yung bagong Lima Outlet Center. Yes, kung mahilig kayo mag-outlet, punta-punta rito pag may time, okay? This place is perfect for family bonding or even barkada moments. Kung mahilig kayo kumain, mag-shopping, or even mag-selfie-selfie at groupie, ito na ang spot for you na at least medyo kakaiba sa ibang outlet because, you know, puntahan nyo to, check it out. Ang daming outlet stores dito. Daming brands, and daming banks as well, restaurant, at actually meron pa nga silang bike rental around 100 to 150. And they even have a huge soccer field for outdoor fun. Maraming pwedeng gawin dito, guys. So, in fact, just to give you also an idea, every lunch break and even after office, ito nakikita niyong halos parang walang tao, napupuno to ang parking ito, gets full and yeah, ang dami kumakain dito during lunch break and after office. All right? Okay? There. At least nasilip niyo ng konti, maski hindi ako nakababa ng car. I'm just so happy to show you around. Okay, all right. So tapos na ang quick tour natin. Papunta na tayo ngayon sa compound ng Japan Tobacco International or JTI. FYI guys, JTI has been operating in the Philippines since the year 2000. Meron silang market office and global business service Manila sa Taguig, sa BGC, plus manufacturing plants dito sa ito kung nasan tayo ngayon sa Batangas. They've got around 38 sales branches across the country. At kilala sila for brands like Winston, Camel, and Mevius. Hindi lang yan, they've earned Investors in People accreditation multiple times and are certified as a top employer for 2022 and 2023. In fact, so proud sila for their people first culture. And as a trainer and speaker, I'm also honored to help them shape their leadership through our training today. And since we had to leave so early kanina, I wasn't able to finish my makeup. So I took the time to use their very, very clean ladies' room to do some makeup, applying of lotion, speech preparation, and vocalization. Yeah, of course. I also do vocal warm-ups and super important for speakers like me. Ito ang mga preparation na to. Thankfully, we arrived with extra time. Kaya I was able to finish everything in very clean, nice ladies' room. Bonus pa, ano pa, I was able to also check my emails. I was able to respond to some. And while waiting, naka-relax pa na konti while waiting for the participants to arrive. Okay, so speaking of training, today's session is all about personality development and professionalism in the workplace for their first batch of managers. Yes, first batch ito, and I'm happy to be doing batches of training here. Bakit importante ang personality development and professionalism in the workplace? Well, it helps set the standard for professional excellence. Ano pa? It also inspires accountability, not just sa trabaho, pero sa organization, sa mga clients, and of course, sa kanilang sarili. We're working on ways to exceed customer expectations and focusing on lifelong learning and growth. I'm very excited to see how this training will impact their journey. Nakakatuwa din how today's session was super engaging. The participants were so into it. Talagang they were participating, they were focusing, even if we announced that we will give consideration just in case they needed to do some emails and step out for a while, but actually it did not happen. They were just so focused. I can really say that every minute was worth it for both me and the participants. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope na-inspire ko kayo even just a little. If you are interested in leadership development or simply want to level up your professional image, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can stay updated on my upcoming videos. And before we part, I'll leave you with this. True leadership is not just about what you achieve, but the legacy of excellence and integrity you leave behind. When you align your image with your values, you inspire others to do the same. Remember, life is too short not to be radiant. Let your light shine bright. See you on my next Radiant Speaker vlog. Bye.